working on this speed art. This is just going to be a quick channel update thing to tell you guys about my new schedule. For those of you who don't know, I go back to school tomorrow and I'm just starting my GCSEs, so I really want to focus on the work, meaning that I can't post daily videos, which I have been doing for the past week. So I've come up with a new schedule which I'm going to persist with for the next few months. Basically there's going to be 2 videos out every week, one on Thursday and one on Sunday. The one on Thursday is going to be mainly Minecraft based, like mini games on the Hive, MC Origins, something quick and easy that I can get out to you guys without it taking up too much of my time. And on the Sunday there's going to be a larger video which takes up more of my time. This could be a speed art or a Harry Potter video, or maybe even a survival Minecraft video, I don't know, something that's more than 10 minutes, because I'll have more time on the weekends than I will on the weekdays, therefore I'll get bigger videos out to you. Thank you so much for listening and I hope you enjoyed the speed art. Bye guys!